Wake up, Thunderbunt. Good morning, Thunderbolt. Today is the day. You're getting your first pokesiren from Professor Mega Blaster. Oh my god. I cannot wait.
Thunderbunt, your breakfast is ready.
Yummy. Tempest toast with banshee butter. And a Tempest cola. Thanks 1003.
No problemo.
And I am done. Now let's go to the professor's lab. Hello. Hey Blasterific 9000. How are you today?
Fine. You?
Me fine too. I'm here to get Thunderbunt his first pokesiren.
Professor Mega Blaster will be with you in a minute.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Come with me. You guys come too.
Okay, Mega Blaster.
So today is your first day becoming a pokesiren trainer.
Yeah, can't wait to get my first pokesiren.
Okay. Here's the pokesirens. Screamer is a water type pokesiren, Carter is a grass type, and Model 3 is fire. Thunderbunt, you can only choose one.
I pick Carter.
Good choice. Here, do not forget this.
Thanks Mega Blaster.
No problemo.
Who are you?
I'm T121.
Let's battle. Okay. Time for my first pokesiren battle. That was a great battle. I agree.
T121 and Thunderbunt. Get over here. I have really bad news.